know we're moving fast, and some say we won't last, but I will be alright as long as I know I'm with you. Oh, forever summer high, I know that we'll be fine. Letting go and go free falling, living on top of the world. Blue skies and nice winds, never keeping track of time. Sun and skin.
Welcome to the vlog.
Hi, welcome.
No,
You can pick out earrings.
that's what you wanted. They're right here, Jern. You don't have your ears pierced.
Look, just pick one out.
You got 3 to choose from.
I like this one the best. That one's my favorite.
Okay, guys, so we went to Walmart. I had to get some prescriptions. They only had one ready, Journey's eye cream. But I gave her a dose of it already. And now we're gonna eat at the House of Pizza. Are you ready for some House of Pizza?
I'm so hungry. I could eat a pizza. Thank you.
Thank you. Don't eat your hair, baby. Don't eat your hair. So, Journey and I are gonna go in the pool. She wanted a float. I did buy a float, so we're gonna see how the float floats. And don't mind my pimple patch, but we're gonna have some fun in the pool. The fire pit is set up. We got stuff for hot dogs. Starbucks.
Hi, we're going to Starbucks.
We're gonna get some eating stuff. It was clicking. Evan, how do I work this?
I think the gas thing, click it. Do the gas thing, click it.
I turned it on.
Is there gas in it?
Blow up. There you go, baby. Blow up.
This is, in case you guys are wondering, this is Exhibit 1 in the class action lawsuit. Why won't it stay on? Pamela.
I smell it
What time is this? Did that happen?
right now.
Right now?
After the fire pit lights, release the control knob to increase the flame and turn the control knob. I need to go to low.
Yay!
I did it.
Good job, Pamela.
Turn it around. You can't do her. Steaming hot, burn your eyes. Ooh. Our wings touched.
You just can't keep your wiener off of mine.
Look how dark your weenie is. Come here to mine.
Well, let's talk about color. Look at your legs compared to mine.
They're taking a dirt bath. Look at how dirty she is. Oh my gosh, she is terrible.
Quit touching my wiener.
Oh. I'm not going to share. Don't speak English.
You want to go at it?
Did Mom tell you what was in the hen house last night? Chickens. No,
Chickens had a friend.
it's a skunk.
Oh. How'd you get him out?
He let himself out. He or she let him.
I let him eat the eggs. Oh no, there's only. Is there enough for everybody?
Enough what?
Journey, you don't have to anyway.
Charlotte don't eat hot dogs.
She's asleep. But we got bread. Here, lay back and relax. I want to get a vlog of you. Here you go. I'm going to push you away from me. Ready? Okay, ready? Here we go. It's the sky. We're going to go pick peaches. What are we doing, Jern? Sing it. Peaches, 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 peaches.
Oh, I just saw it.
Here comes Ron. Ron's like, where are you going? Do you need me to protect you?
All right, let me get you some, Jern. Hold on. If I don't fall down, go boom. That's not what I was trying to do. Your journey.
He's gonna go sharpen his claws or pee on it. He's gonna pee on it.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
A snapping turtle.
Lord, the beach hog.
Take a Millie.
Millie, Millie.
She's like, do I get some?
Of course you do, Mama. Of course you do, Mama.
Goats are going crazy.
What'd you see?
One hippopotamus.
You saw a hippopotamus?
Yeah.
No way.
And Dad,
No way.
we went home. In Dad's truck. Oh, be careful with this.
Yeah, there's picky ones there.
Look. It's not it, right?
Listen to the goats go crazy. Have you ever seen this crazy? He's like, it's my old home where I grew up. Millie, I'm fine.
High five.
I'd rather deal with the skunk.
Peaches for me. Peaches, 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 peaches
for you. Peaches for
Well, we
yeah,
gotta-
like a song.
Beach hog.
What'd she say?
Oh my lord, a beach house.
Look at so many. I just picked some.
you? Jump in with all your clothes on?
I wasn't sure. I thought the water was...
Let me push you.
I'm feeling real inflated right now.
Guys, the skunk is back. He's right there.
Oh my God.
Get out of here.
Ah!
You stay here. The skunk is back. Dani's trying to vlog it.
I get sprayed on you.
Don't get too close. Johnny, you stay over here. You are cray cray.
I want to go next to her. Look.
Okay.
Alright, that's as close as I get. Jody, we don't want to stink for life, do we? No, Pam.
No.
What if he comes over here?
I'm gonna scare him away. There's no eggs. I threw them all, bud.
Sorry.
Sorry. Oh, he got out. Watch it, ma'am.
What? No. Get out there. Oh, someone's on the cage, Mom.
Oh, he went over to the ducks. Them ducks will not take none of that.
Mom,
The ducks will attack him.
Mom, let's go over there.
Oh, I see him. Is he out of the cage?
He's over in the ducks.
Let's go.
No. Where he went? You see him on the move?
Yeah, the move. He's on the move. He's on the move. Oh, there he is. Is that him?
You don't know where he went.
You don't know where he is. Now might be a good time to.
Okay, come on.
I'm just saying. Might be a good idea. Let's come around and skunk you from behind. Shoot.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.